Hello everybody, Belinda here, welcome back. Today I've got a 16 by 20 inch canvas and we're going to be doing something a little bit different. And what I'd like to do first though is show you, this is the last video I did with the sci-fi garden. And if look at all these pearl cells, or these cells that have popped up over here. There's a whole heap of cells that have popped up, and this actually looks like a tree with pink flowers, and that looks like another kind of a plant with some more plants coming up here and the roots or something. So I thought that was a pretty nice the way it turned out. It dried really well. This one over here is a request from one of my viewers, Lisa Gerald, wanted to see this again. So this one has, you see the bird, and I didn't realize, oh, here's another bird here. There's another bird here upside down, but I wanted to also show you this here, which one of the viewers had actually pointed out. There's a Dalmatian right there, and I didn't see it at the time. And there's the other bird, and at the bottom over here there's a little bird that's walking down a ribbon or whatever that is there. It's in New Zealand we call them kiwis, like a kiwi bird. So that's pretty cool. I really love that this Dalmatian is here that I never actually noticed before. Alright, let's get cracking. So that was my flipping paint, and that one was called Birds of a Feather. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and watch the video. Righty ho. So the colours I'm using today are white, yellow, and I have dioxazine purple. So the yellow and the dioxazine purple are both Liquitex basics. In the white I also have some Deco Art satin enamel, and I will be using the 24 karat gold Deco Art 24 karat gold as well. I don't get the extreme sheen here in New Zealand, so that is what I actually order online, and it's always worked perfectly for me. Right, so I'll go in with some white, and then some gold. So I'm just hoping that what's in my head is going to come out on the canvas. Purple. So my paints are mixed. One part paint to 2 parts of Floetrol. And I've added a touch of water just to thin it a little bit. And the consistency, hopefully you can see that. Maybe I should try with the purple. So it runs off the stick. You count to about 4 seconds and then it disappears. And then yellow. And white. Some more gold. I'm running very low on my gold. Oh, and I haven't ordered any yet, and it takes like about 2 weeks to get to me. gold, and then some purple. Some more yellow. It looks like far too much paint already. I'll just put a tad of white on the top. So I'm going to do an oval pour, the oval pour that I came up with, but also I want to incorporate in the center of the oval pour kind of like the ethereal passage. So let's see. That's a lot of paint. Probably too much paint. Right, so I'm going to give that a torch while I cover the edges. I don't really want this rolling over itself too soon, so let me just cover the edges quick. So I'm just covering the edges so that the paint has got something to glide over. And I'm also hoping that the yellow will react with the gold as it normally does. Not the yellow. The yellow and the purple will react with each other as they normally do. I'm all tongue-tied. Okay, here goes. So I'm just bringing it back to the center. I'm not really sure where all my white went to. around so you guys can see what I'm doing. Now I'm just really trying to stretch this out and turn this a little slightly. It's a lot of paint going off the edge there. Okay, I'm just bringing it back. Sorry guys, I'm trying to keep you on. I know it's not all that easy. Okay, it's not really doing what I wanted to do, unfortunately. So I'm going to put some more paint in the cup. Okay guys, I'm going to give this a torch and touch up the sides, and then I'll bring you in for a close-up. So I think I might have to do it again. I'll see how I feel about it actually. I do like it. I think it came out quite well. So I think I'm going to call it Heaven's Gate. Well guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.